Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This video introduces how to configure packages. When you need to ship using a specific package, you can predefine the package information in the settings. First, the information at the top is used to define your default units. Once you have set your default units, the system will automatically select the units for you in subsequent operations, saving you time from having to do it each time. The list below shows the shipping package information that you have already configured. You can edit and modify it. You can also add new package information by clicking the Add Shipping Package button. Here you need to maintain the package information, including the package name, dimensions, and weight. You can also set the package as default, which facilitates subsequent operations. Once you have maintained all the information, click Save Package to save the information to the shipping package list. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to configure packages. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our extensive library of tutorial content.